Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says a white solid is either Na2O, that is sodium oxide, or Na2O2, that is sodium peroxide. So a piece of red litmus paper turns white when it is dipped in freshly made aqueous solution of the white solid. So यहाँ पे क्या पता करना है? The first is identify the substance and explain with the balanced equation. Then second है explain what would happen to the red litmus if white solid were another compound. So let's first understand the key concept involved in this question. So first we'll see about Na2O, that is sodium oxide. So this is sodium oxide. So this sodium oxide Na2O reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, which is a strong base. So NaOH क्या है? एक strong base है. And this turns red litmus paper to blue. Red litmus paper to blue. अगर हम वही दूसरे कंपाउंड दैट इज Na2O2 की बात करें जो कि है सोडियम पेरोक्साइड, so this reacts with water, that is Na2O2 reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen peroxide. Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and hydrogen peroxide जो कि H2O2. So hydrogen peroxide has bleaching properties. So this product has bleaching properties which can turn red litmus to white. So bleaching properties के कारण, so this turns red litmus paper to white. So now let's analyze. The first क्या पूछा गया था in first question? Identify the substance and explain with the balanced equation. So this we have to do. So the substance is Na2O2, that is sodium peroxide है. So this can be identified because when red litmus turns white it indicates the presence of bleaching agent. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि जब ये वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो NaOH और H2O2 फॉर्म करता है. सो रेड लिटमस को व्हाइट कर रहा है, क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. देयरफॉर द सब्सटेंस इज Na2O2 एंड द बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन को हम लिखते हैं. बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन इज 1 mole of Na2O2 reacts with 2 moles of water to form 2 moles of NaOH plus 1 mole of H2O2. So hydrogen peroxide के पास bleaching properties होते हैं. So we'll move on to the next part of the question, जो कि है explain what would happen to the red litmus if white solid is another compound. So Na2O2 को छोड़ के अगर वो N2O होता तो क्या होता. So now we'll see if the white solid is if the white solid is Na2O, that is सोडियम ऑक्साइड होता instead of Na2O2, जो कि करेक्ट आंसर है. The red litmus paper would have turned, so this would have turned to blue instead of white. This is because जब Na2O जब वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, so it forms 2 moles of NaOH, and NaOH क्या है? It is a strong base. अगर कोई बेस है तो वो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट करता है. So therefore we have answered both the questions. Hope you all have understood. All the best.